Reading randomly selected texts from the book I Am That, Dialogues with Nisargadatta Maharaj. A questioner approaches Maharaj and asks, "Please don't tell me that I am dreaming and that I will soon wake up. I wish it were so, but I am awake and in pain. You talk of a painless state, but you add that I cannot have it in my present condition. I feel lost." Maharaj answers, "Don't feel lost. I only say that to find the immutable and blissful, you must give up your hold on the mutable and painful. You are concerned with your own happiness, and I am telling you that there is no such thing. Happiness is never your own. It is where the I is not. I do not say it is beyond your reach. You have only to reach out beyond yourself, and you will find it." Questioner: "If I have to go beyond myself, why did I get the I am idea in the first instance?" Maharaj answers, "The mind needs a center to draw a circle. The circle may grow bigger, and with every increase, there will be a change in the sense I am. A man who took himself in hand, a yogi, will draw a spiral. Yet the center will remain, however vast the spiral. A day comes when the entire enterprise is seen as false and given up. The central point is no more, and the universe becomes the center."